What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be working on on my wife's OBS. I haven't worked on it in a long time. I haven't done anything to it, but I figured, better late than never. So we are going to be swapping out the taillights for some LED ones. So it should be a pretty short video. There's not a lot to it. So yeah, let's get started, guys. All right, so we're gonna be going from these to these. Now these were in this truck, and I figured they'll look pretty nice on this one. So yeah, and then the bulbs on this one are going out either way, which the bulbs are replaceable, but I'll keep these in the garage for whenever, if we decide to switch back. But yeah, hopefully those look nice. If not, then swapping back. So gotta get this thing open. I probably need a handle. Well, I probably need two hands, so let me open this up. All right, so to swap these out, all you gotta do is take off these Phillips head screws, and this one's missing, and one over here and one over here, and those are drywall screws, which I'm pretty sure they're already on there because my father-in-law swapped these out and it already had the drywall screws. But yeah, the other headlight, the taillights have the little, I think they're the right screws, so hopefully they'll work. But yeah, 4 screws, 2 on each side. All right, so the driver taillight is out, and it's just that plug right there. But I have to show you something, because this does not fit in here, because the fleet sides, they have a bunch of openings here, and this one only has that spot right here. And well, this box does not fit in here tucked in. The only way to do it is drilling a hole on this, on the side, so I can tuck the wires in. So I gotta cut a little bit off the edge right here, and hopefully I can get the wiring harness plugged in, and then this will be going inside here. So I'm gonna cut a piece of this real quick, and hopefully there won't be any like cables getting caught or anything. Okay guys, pues ahí está, le hicimos un notch nomás para que pase el cable de la, creo que es un resistor, pero como no cabe aquí, lo vamos a pasar para allá, pero igual tiene cables, así que con eso debe de pasar. Alright, so hopefully it's visible enough, but here we go. I'm gonna test this through here. I think that's how that goes. Let's see. Get that in there. Like that. And then these wires can go like this. Let's see. Well, turns out I didn't need the notch. Look at that. We'll just go in there. Okay, so now I'll plug this in. And put the light in there. Alright guys, there we go. That's it. But before you finish, test it out first. See if it's gonna light up. So let me put you guys right there. Alright, and yes, there we go. Got it all working. Let me see the test work. And yep, there we go. Alright guys, so got that working beautifully. Now let's move on to the other side. Alright guys, hopefully y'all can hear me, but same process over here. Alright, and same thing over here. It has that little plastic thing, so all we gotta do, lift up the tabs and get it out of there. Alright, so now that we have it off, I think this side's gonna be easier because that side has the LED bulb for the bottom hooked up, and it makes it a little bit more difficult to feed the wires. But in this case, well, on this side it should be pretty good. So there we go. Got it all in there. Now, your little connection here. Oh shit. Alright. And same thing for this side. Well, as the other side. I'm gonna check to see if the LEDs are working. Well, look at that. They did not work. So, gotta take it off again. And let's see what the issue is. Alright guys, and there we go. I'm a dumbass. I had the plug backwards, but there it is. Alright guys, pues ahí nomás quedaron las lucecitas. Puro LED. La barrita esa creo que se la voy a quitar porque pues hay que pintarla y mi esposa ya no la quiere. Pero pues ahí quedó. Ahorita voy a darle una lavadita porque la tengo muy descuidada y pues no he tenido chance. Así que guys, vamos a darle una lavada y a ver cómo queda. Alright guys, pues ahí nomás quedó la mamalona. Little wash. And I got a flat tire, so I gotta get my ass home. Pero ahí está guys. It looks a little blurry, I think it's the camera. Let me zoom y'all back in. Oh yeah, there we go. Pero pues ahí está guys. That's gonna be it for this one. Remember, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.